how do you figure out which keywords are truly the right ones for your product instead of wasting money? Great question, because it has one main thing, which is wasting money. We have to be very aware about when we are truly wasting money versus when we are gathering data that we have to pay for in order to not waste additional money. So that's going to be really important, because what you can do on your end, first off, if you're running already Amazon ads for your products, within that report, you can see the exact search terms / targets that right now you're targeting within the campaign and are bringing you profitable income. The second one can be things that are working okay for you, but the profit margin is just very tiny. The third category, it can be things that are working for you, but they're too expensive. So those type of targets and search terms here, you would consider them, should you negate those ones, or what should you do with them, right? Because they are bringing you maybe a few sales, 1-2 sales, but they are not profitable. And then the fourth type is going to be things that are not working at all. So things that you're investing, spend on it, but there's no conversion. And then sometimes it can be just 1-2 clicks, and there are a lot of search terms with the 1-2 click or even 3-4 clicks. They're never bringing you any sales. So now that you understand how it works, you have basically 4 buckets where you can place each of these. Things that are top performers, things that are okay performers, things that are not making money, and things that never produce any income. So based on that, you can know which are the keywords, or here targets. I'm saying targets because keywords is basically the word itself. And then a target basically is something that it can be a product you're advertising or a specific keyword, like I just showed you, the pink body mist coconut cream. So this pink body mist coconut cream, whenever someone is typing that in the search bar, they're looking for a keyword. Whenever someone is looking for pink body mist, but then on that product, they're finding this product and they end up purchasing this product, this could also become async targets. So you understand the difference between those. So those are the things that first I would look into for you to understand truly which are the right keywords for you that are bringing you sales instead of wasting money. Let me know if that answers the question.